Yes, I'm going to come BM Efa Emra Begem so on Adom TV. My catcher say *281#. No select option 4. What you gumwa and Tibra say made 1,000 cities. Remember, say, oh, here this you could be a OGBA say or they supported the mass school. If you are the books and also the school fees in Swaka the free codum. 80 other Kosu in the next 30 seconds. May show 1,000 cities. I'm for comment here, Abba. We see President Mahama's response during yesterday's media encounter regarding Galamsey suggests that the NDC government is not prepared to address the issue effectively. In fact, Ghana appears to be in a dire state. Amisko Spelele Edwefrika Swa Elode Ebai. Good morning. I'm watching you live from Akrokere from Junior Tiero. Shatter to the whole world. Okay. Junior Tiero Edwefrika Akrokere. And also Erebai. Derek ITC. Good morning and thank you for a good show. So *281# option 4. Pachuma may draw. Now make sure one Ewini 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One Ewini 0246 596 ** 0246 596 ** 0246 596 **. We saw 1,000 cities at all more account. When you see we congrats. Let's try to bit me no. Ewa master that no Eddie Kwakwesi under 2 minutes.
Now, what do you mean baby we are Charlotte about 2 minutes.
Now program time ben ejazie.
Ade.
Yes, I say 8:35 was there. And the 30 minutes
30 minutes go.
Let me see 30 minutes ago. Program for 30 minutes.
Make 30 minutes.
So I control to aba.
Eh,
I was young.
See, and say president event or year no. O man ko for one day o. What you to me kan?
A man for it me under.
Untu nka. Also when the legal
vacation
resume. Give to worry. Now give to worry company on your here.
Fachem, na me fat me call out say. Hello, good morning.
So,
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. I want to end to Fachem.
No. Give to worry company on your here. Martin send the DSMP on scholarship secretary bill. Now scam me baby also go government scholarship.
Scam me baby.
Now they won't see the course. You see, the greediness, the definition of greediness, who should shall be MPP, the past administration. Oh no, every time is also on your damn 510 and got some no pay. Oh, Tia Karu beside me, look at anything. On who the yoke so more, who be very deeper. Oh,
is that me?
and me can say you so more, who be very now who got it that 27, who got it that 10, who got it that, who the Friday? Me who buy me one now say I go see a phone where I say yes sir. Who buy me for my me do nama every over here. On me Japan before now. So these guys who have been mentioned who are waiting for prosecution in the next legal vacation resume no. Omutu no man koso. There is no way president can say anybody can create the oral jurisdiction.
Okay.
What sounds sikakwa?
Okay.
What I say? Domino na kwa baby. Martin Pebu na kwa baby.
Say nyom na April.
No, but these are the investigators. These are the people who are looking into the issues.
So no moduma ba wi. So no moduma ba wi ora no.
What am I moduma?
Oh, so president report.
Interesting.
And the president will hand over the amount to the general.
Okay. Let's see where it ends.
So you think you said the fear of your general secretary, no?
No, I don't think that is what he meant. What I say, I don't think so. Because to my understanding, you know, if you're not or caution the AG,
okay.
Same conform about or say, we are say, we are say, you understand me?
Okay.
But not as in. I mean, you find time and talk to him. You will let you know. But based on my understanding, What I say, or caution is be very careful. People will come, alarmists will come around. Where I see,
or say they have picked information.
And who can say we are credible information?
I don't have credible information.
Debbie, you are quoting.
The Attorney General's
letter. You are a third party. You are quoting.
I'm quoting Attorney General's letter.
One can't one can what's it? Individuals, Ghanaians. It's one narrow the end of Bangani Yami. Sign of a narrow way of 50 questions. Debbie, Missy Fifi say. And common information say. A nipebia shall see a play game. No caution, and the unformity to ja. Oh, yeah, or caution. So he's telling the AG, say, back. One can't play game. Oh, sir. Oh, one it's a more video. And yet, you don't know idea. No, now sit here and the you see, all that took place yesterday. Okay, the president didn't come on. But president no. I me digging Nipano too much. It was on top of issue from archaeology to zoology. Bibian. He knows what goes on in this country. Now, maybe my opinion say, why are they but ultimately can I say man 2.5. On one year come on 8.5. And I think say, sir, what I say, okay. But Mesre, shame, a big shame onto those party people who are involved in illegal mining. Okay, a big shame. What I say? A big shame. I did what more than just struggle. I really power. Now we have for Adom there. A big shame. You see me, oh, my missing jackpot too much. But I go see that you, a member of the NDC National Committee. You knew it, Pacho. Share the General Secretary of NDC, Fifi Fiabekwete. The question, you're the man, Attorney General.
If it's to be done, it must be done well. And to be done well means it has to be thoroughly done, proper due diligence. The job must be properly done. And you are the lawyers, so you should know. If you say righteousness and justice should be the foundation, it must be. So you cannot in one breath be making proclamations that are condemning those who are on the other side, while you yourself are part of the system that wants to subvert the same laws and the same constitution, the same rights things from being done. So you should be the first point of making sure things are done properly. That's the only way we can establish a society that will be truly great and strong. We at the level of the party are picking the signals. And the signals we are picking is this: that many among us, in spite of the fact that pleas and the pressure coming from the public that the things have to be done properly, punishment must be exacted, and things have to be done, some among us are busy trying to cut deals with people who are supposed to be prosecuted. Some among us are trying to cut deals. Some are becoming conduits through whom pressure is being brought to bear on people who are supposed to do what is right. I'm not mentioning names. A time may come where we may have to. A word to the wise. Some know themselves, those who are. We are hearing your names. Think again.